Okay, we have a major requirement that was there, that what happens if the admin wants to block any user. So from the WAP, the admin can block a particular user. For example, right now the user is active and he is operating the phone. But if the WAP, if the admin locks the user, like now, you would see that the app you would see that I have already received a mail at my saying that due to some problem faced, you won't be able to access your apartment for the time being. Please contact the admin personally to resolve this issue. You would see that there is a your apartment details and as well as the restriction enacted, which day the restriction has started place. So I have been asked to request the admin to see to talk to him about this problem. And you would see that if I want to open the door now, I am locked out of the app, because because I am no longer an active user, the system will not let me use it under any circumstance. If I try to open it with my existing credentials, you would see that invalid username or password. So I no longer can open the app with my existing password. So what happens is that now we would reactivate this user and we would restore all his credentials, and you would see that we are doing it from the WAP right now. After this is done, I would receive another mail saying that all your credentials have been restored. Your access credentials to your apartment is restored and your apartment is ready for usage. So they have also given a new timestamp of when the restriction has been removed. So I would go back to the app and I would try to use my old credentials. You would see this time I have accessed the app again. So by this way, you can lock or unlock a user under any circumstance. We have also have a new requirement where we can close this booking time of a particular user, that his tenure of using the apartment is over. Then if we close this user's time from the WAP, then again I will receive another mail I'll try to open the door after I have been closed, but here it says that the booking has been expired. So I no longer can operate it, and I am also notified this via a mail. Right now maybe the Gmail server is not working properly because the mail has been sent from the WAP. Okay, probably the server is not working, the Google server. So by this way, the user is locked at the app, and if I try to sign in with the existing credential, you will see that invalid username or password. I can no longer use my old credential to log into the app. So I've been officially signed off or closed from the system as shown in the at the WAP. So this is it. Yes.